Would you believe me if I told you this entire 3D bottle art started with a super cheap 200 rupees modeling clay set? Hi everyone, I am Mona Lisa and you are watching the MonaZine. If you watched my last video, you saw me unbox and testing this beginner friendly knee set where I made a few little orange animal. If you missed that chaotic unboxing, definitely go check it out. The link is down in the description. But today we are taking those exact clay creatures and giving them a permanent home. We are upcycling a boring glass bottle into a magical 3D texture masterpiece. Grab a snacks and let's get crafty. I let my original orange animal dry completely, but looking at the blank canvas of this bottle, I realized my little creatures looks a little lonely. They need a whole ecosystem. They need a story. I decided to challenge this budget-friendly clay a bit further. I started molding extra element right into the bottle, adding a giant tree, a cute little frog sitting by a pond, and some textured flowers. When you are working with a smoother glass, adding this extra 3D clay elements gives the paint something incredible to grip into later. Now I am adding those cute little flowers, the bears, the leaves, everything in the bottle. Once all the clay details were completely dry and locked into the place, it was time for the ultimate equalizer, the gesso. If you have ever tried painting directly into glass or shiny clay, you know the paint just slide around. It is a nightmare. Coating the entire bottle in a thick layer of white gesso does two things. First, it creates a perfect matte texture that love acrylic painting. Second, it unifies everything. Suddenly, you stop seeing random piece of stuck on clay and you start seeing a cohesive sculpted canvas. It's honestly the most satisfying part of this process. Now time for the my favorite part. Bringing this little world to life with color. I wanted the background to feel like a bright sunny day. So I started with a vibrant sky blue at the top, blending in the soft white cloud around the tree. The trick to making a 3D bottle art pop is shading because the clay streak out. It naturally catches shadow. By adding dark green in the top of the hill and bright highlights on top of the clay animal, the whole bottle start looking like a page of a storybook. What do you think? Let me complete the coloring step by step and layer by layer. And after a few layers of painting and lot of patience, here is our final piece. From a cheap 200 rupees unboxing experience to fully customized and wimp piece of decor. Now time for protecting our bottle art using varnish. Apply a thick layer of varnish to the bottle so it survives lifelong. I'm absolutely in love with how this turned out. It just goes to show that you don't need expensive high-ending art appliance to create something beautiful and unique. You just need a little bit of imagination and maybe a old bottle you are going to recycle anyway. If you enjoy watching this transformation, please hit the like button and subscribe to join our creative family here at TheMonaZine. It helps the channel out immensely. Let me know in the comment what I should clay mold next. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.